Okay. Oh, gentle, Sylvia, okay? Be careful where you're putting your feet.
I'm going to climb.
Oh,
Yeah?
careful. Oh, look at you squirmy little dudes. Look at the squirm of Johnson, the squirm of blondness.
Okay, you're squishing your breath there, okay? I'm right here. You're good.
Eric. How'd you learn that? Oh, hammock.
Sylvia, get off of his head. No, he's right here. Okay, you can't get on his head. Watch out for his leg. Okay. Okay, wait, get up and show me
World's
where you want to go.
squirmiest family. World's squirmiest family.
You're not go on his head. I'm going to go right here on his head.
I'm gonna go right here on his head.
Yep, no, he wants to go right there. Trust me.
Oh, do you love your brother, Sylvia?
I do love him.
What is?
Bob